Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to get into the print preview window in Microsoft Excel. So let us open the software. As I need some data, I'll open a previously saved file, that is this one here, and we have some data. So to say about the print preview option, it is not available anywhere over here in the ribbon like these options, but you have to go with the shortcut from the keyboard such as Control key plus P letter or Control key plus function key F2. You just have to press and hold the control key from the keyboard and click on the letter P, or press and hold the control key and press the function key F2. So that's how you can go to the print preview window. So now if I press and hold the control key or letter P, see, this is the print preview window. So this is the print preview window. So whenever you take a printout, you have to check the print preview before you take a printout to see if everything is okay. So let us come back to the worksheet by clicking on this back arrow. You can also go with the control key plus F2 as I told you. And also if you don't like the shortcut keys, you can always come to the quick access toolbar here and click on this arrow. Turn on this print preview and print option here. So a new tool gets added to the quick access toolbar like over here. Now if you click on that, you can come to the print preview window. Got it? So these are the different ways of coming to the print preview window. So if you have any doubt, please comment below. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.